Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be moving the goats to a new area. They've been in this area for a couple weeks and they've done a pretty good job of eating the vines and everything low on the ground, but they were leaving a plant that I thought was Queen Anne's lace, but come to find out it's actually a toxic plant called snakeroot. As you can see, it's all over in this area back here. So we're going to move them to the area where you saw in our previous video where I filled in the sinkholes. That area, if you saw it, was dirt when I was finished. Now it's completely overgrown with weeds. So we're going to move the goats into that area today. I'm going to get on the tractor and cut a trail around the perimeter of it. And then Allison and I, we're going to move the fencing and get the goats moved over there.
So last week we were going to move the goats here. We thought it'd be perfect. It already has a shelter. The weeds are clearly high. We thought they would have loved it, but we hit gravel. We don't know if this used to be a drive at some point or what, but it didn't work. So we're going to remove this 100-foot section, take it down to the other location, and then start moving the goats.
I think I better give her a hand and put the camera down.
Let's go.
Baby, good Molly, good Dodger. 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 Good girl. Good girl.
All right, here's another 100-foot section. One more to go. All right, let's go put it up. That's 200 feet. We already have 100.
On.
Always turn it off first.
I thought you did. All right, I walked it out and I think we're going to be about 20 feet short for our 300 feet of netting. So I'm just going to take the weed eater here and cut a little path across here. We'll have to move the fence a little bit, but at least we'll have room for them up there to get their house in and everything. Okay, so after cutting that little strip with the weed eater, that worked out pretty well. So it's gonna end here and end here, and then we still have a 100-foot section left. So this grassy area up here will put the rest of the 100 feet with their house and their water and their table to climb on and all that fun stuff. So I think this will be good for them. All right, we're just kind of walking the fence line now to make sure everything looks good and tight to the ground as best as possible. It's a little hilly back here, but we got the poultry net plus, I believe, so the distance between these posts are shorter, so it's better for hilly terrain. So far, so good. Almost done. Hopefully they don't try to get out and go over there. That's the stuff that they really want. But we're not ready for them to be by the pond just yet. Tow it. All right, the old 400 pulled it like a champ. Hit a few tree roots, a little bumpy, but the goat house survived. All right, we got the goats back on leashes. Molly is quite a bit easier. She's more friendly than Dodger right now. She let me get it right on her. We had to chase Dodger a little bit and give him some food, but we got him. So we're gonna put him in the side-by-side and go to the new area.
Seatbelts on.
All right, we got one in. Working on the second. They're starting to explore a little bit. I've got a lot to eat back here. All right, now we just have to hook it up and then turn it on. Energizer is in the ground. Allison's gonna test it and see what we're at. 6.5, 7.5, 7.7. That's pretty good. So we're gonna leave it at that and call it a day. All right, well, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Looks like the goats are enjoying their new spot. So thanks to the help of our team here, we got the goats moved to a new location. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.